I can't go with you.
It's just a ride, Allie. Think of it as public transportation.
Like a bus?
Yeah. Except with no windows and no doors.
And there's only room for 2 passengers.
But it's free.
I don't know. Well, the thing about it is, I can't go with you. I'm already here. I'm at work, and I promised the manager I'd stay here if he needs extra coverage tonight.
Allie, there's one in there sipping a coffee.
We could get a rush. You never know.
Yeah, insane. Come on, jump on. Take a trip down the road. Go in your hair. Get a rush. You never know.
I know. Okay. 1 ride, 1 short ride.
Okay.
Oh, you just happened to bring that along.
Sometimes I'm just a psychic.
Right. Where are we headed?
Wherever we end up.
Well, I'm glad